Hey kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. Your spelling list for this week is going to focus on the short I sound of I and the long I sound of I. One of the symbols that we use to describe a short vowel sound or a long vowel sound would be right up here above the I. I know this got a little cut off. Where the pig is, I just highlighted it. That little U or little smile, that tells us the sound is going to be short, I. The long line over the I that I highlighted by kite, that tells us that the I is going to make the long I sound, I. Most of our long I sounds are going to also have an E at the end. The E makes vowels say their own name most of the time. Not all the time, but most of the time. So I'm going to go ahead and read through the words for you for today, and then we'll talk about some of our sorting, okay? So here we go. I'm starting here in this column. We have dish, rich, knife, while, clip, nice, 9. I'm going to go ahead and write knife in here for you. Then second column, I have stick, mice, gift, flip, shin, drive, and give. I'm going to write stick here for you. And then our last column, we have 5, prize, hike, kick, swim, spill, dice. I'm going to write dice. Oops, sorry, that's a C down here for you. And I'm going to write kick here for you. Okay? So what we need to do now is we need to say our words, and we need to decide if it's an I sound or an I sound. So you really have to say the word out loud, okay? We're also going to be looking for an oddball. So let's go ahead and talk about our headers here. So we have pig. You hear the I sound when we say pig, so that's a short I. I'm going to switch colors. Here we have kite. You'll notice there's an E on the end of the kite. And when I say the word kite, I hear I. Okay, so let's look at 2 examples for each of these. Let's look at our first word in our first column. We have the word dish. I'm going to mark that in red. When I say dish, I hear I just like I do in pig. I'm hearing that same vowel sound. Okay, let's look at rich. I, again, I'm hearing the I sound when I say rich. So the I is the vowel sound that matches pig. Then I come down to knife. I'm not hearing I anymore. I'm hearing I, which matches kite, knife. Oh, you know what? I also forgot to write clip for you. I'll do that right here. There we go. Let's see about while. Here's the word while. I hear I when I say the word while. So that also matches kite. Notice both of those words have E's on the end. So our oddball this week, as I was reading through the words, you may have noticed when I said the word give in the second column, I'm highlighting it right now, all the way at the bottom, give matches the spelling that all the other words have that have the long I, like up here in the word kite, except the E is not making the I say its name. Sometimes in the English language, words don't follow all the rules. That's why we're calling it our oddball. I'll highlight oddball in yellow. When I say give, I hear I, like in pig, but the E on the end makes it the oddball. Okay, kiddos, you're going to go ahead and start your sort and be making sure that you are saying the word, listening for that I sound. Is it I or I? And then sorting it in the correct column. All right, have a great day, kiddos.